In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle the no longer eligible for YouTube TV free trial error if you encounter it. This message typically appears if you've already used a free trial with your account or Google account in the past, as YouTube TV only allows one free trial per user. To resolve this, start by checking if anyone in your household has previously used the trial, as accounts linked to the same IP address or payment method may be flagged. If you believe this is an error, contact YouTube TV customer support through their help center and explain your situation. Sometimes they can offer assistance or provide alternative solutions. Another option is to create a new Google account, but be sure to review YouTube TV's terms of service to avoid violations. Alternatively, you can subscribe directly to YouTube TV without the trial and explore their offerings. If this video helped you handle the no longer eligible error, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.